Welcome to Tales from the Gaming Table. This is a new channel dedicated to gaming. Unlike others where they simply will read the rules to you, I will not do that. There are good sites out there that already cover that. I will be focusing on a lot of solo play. For our first couple of videos, we'll be covering the game Aldara, which is a 4E game with one of the best combat systems I've ever seen. I'll also be covering a solo mode version of Twilight Imperium 4th edition. I've taken the two versions that are on Board Game Geeks, melded them together, and hopefully it will evolve over time to being a full functioning way to play Twilight Imperium solo, or with multiple players adding in a couple bots for extra players. Any comments and feedback on that would be greatly appreciated, so look for those posts to come soon, and thank you very much for tuning into my channel.